Good afternoon, students. Standard 3rd. Subject EVS. So, children, today in EVS we are going to learn chapter number 8. Our need for water. Now, children, this happens, doesn't it? Sometimes tears flow from our eyes. Okay, when we are sad, when mummy beats us, that time we cry, so tears flow from our eyes. Our mouth waters when we see a tamarind pod. Our nose runs when we have a cold. When we get a cut, it bleeds. What does this tell us? Now, children, tears, saliva, water running from the nose, and blood are present in our body. They are substances that flow. They contain water. Why do we feel thirsty? We need water if our body has to function properly. Water keeps our blood thin. Water helps to digest our food. Unwanted substances leave our body through urine. We must have enough water in our body at all times. When there is a lack of water in our body, we get thirsty. Like us, other living things too need water. A public source of water. In many villages, cows, buffaloes and goats come to rivers or ponds to drink water. Grass and other bushes can be seen growing near the water hole. People from the village wash their clothes in it. They carry water to use at home. The water in the public source has to be kept clean. Now, children, you can see in the picture how the people is making the water dirty, contaminated, and same water they are carrying to use at home. Here they are washing clothes. Children are playing. Do you know, people who keep animals provide drinking water to them without fail. We know that these animals too get thirsty. But there are thousands of other animals. We do not realize that they too need water, like ants, honeybee, crabs, scorpions, ants, honeybees, crabs, scorpions and other animals need water. Now let's see the importance of water. We need water for bathing, for drinking, for cooking. Now beside this, we need water for other activities also. Now people need water not only for drinking but also for cooking and cleaning. We need water for agriculture and industry as well. Water is very important in our lives. Now, water is needed for agriculture as well as for industry also. Now, children, plants also need water. We water our potted plants. Farmers water the crops in their fields. Could these plants live without water? So the answer is no. authors, we can see that plants like animals need water too. Thank you, children.